In this video, I am going to show you how to check if your phone number has been diverted to another number and how to stop it if you find anything suspicious. This is crucial for keeping your communication private and secure. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Firstly, check if your calls or SMS are being forwarded. This could be used by someone to track or spy on you. So it's important to make sure everything is secure. So firstly, open call dialer in your mobile and type here first code, which is *62# and then call on this number. What it will do is, it will show you all the information regarding your call forwarding. It will show you does your voice, data or SMS are being forwarded. If it is not forwarded, which is in my case, then it is that your mobile is fully secure and you do not have any concerns. But if it shows forwarded, which means that your mobile number has been diverted. You can also get this information by the second code, which is *21# and then call, and it will again give you call forwarding information which is not forwarded. But let's assume that your mobile is now forwarded, which means that someone is tracking or spying on you. So how do we stop that? So to stop it, we need to type here a code which is #002# and then call, and now it will clear all of your forwarding data and it will make your mobile more secure. Now you can read it here as well. It was successful. I just need to tap on OK and now your mobile is fully secure. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.